fellow voice actors, mabuhay, and welcome to the Voice Actors at Home PH community. We are so glad that you have taken a big step up in your dream of becoming a voice actor, and hopefully, you'll be the one of the 200 Filipinos that we wish to reach by the year 2023. For new bloods here in the voice acting world, are you one of those who's more comfortable acting in the American language? Or isa ka ba na ang matagal ng pinapangarap at madalas na ginagawa ay ang pagboboses ng mga napanonood nating palabas mula sa ibang lengguwahe at inaarte at isinasali nito sa ating sariling wikang Tagalog? I am here to share with you my 15-year experience and expertise in the art of dubbing. From a legit,
playful little boy voice
to a very
demanding little girl voice
to a sophisticated and socialite middle-class lady. Isama na rin natin ang ating mga pambansang marites! At syempre, huwag nating kalilimutan ang ating mga pinakamamahal na mga nakatatanda. I am your Coach A, letter A, Aireen Bondoc, ready to extend to you the practical, crazy, and super fun world of dubbing. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.